Welcome to Spaceshooter, a game focused on improving your endurance and precision motor control. Carefully pilot the ship to shoot down enemy ships without crashing for a high score. Press the next button when you are ready for the next instruction. You control your ship's movement along the bottom of the screen. When you bend up, you'll move the ship to the left of the screen, and when you flex down, you'll move the ship to the right of the screen. Press Next. Your ship will fire lasers upwards constantly. If they hit an enemy, they'll damage or destroy the enemy. Press Next. The enemies can be different kinds of ships, and they have different strength levels. As you get further into the game, you'll run into more difficult enemies. Press Next. There are also valuable power-ups to collect as you go through the game. Try to run into these with your ship to collect them. Press Next. Be careful of asteroids. These will appear sometimes and you can't destroy them, you need to move to avoid them. Press Next. You start this game with 3 lives. Each time you crash or get hit you will lose a life. When you run out of lives you will get a game over and need to reload to try again. Running out of lives and reloading is a normal part of this game. Try your best to go longer and get a new high score.